How to create an avatar with Instagram. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. So to start off, launch your Instagram application and make sure that your Instagram is up to date because the avatar feature is newly introduced by Instagram. So once you are logged into Instagram, to create yourself an avatar, tap on the user icon at the bottom. Select the option of Edit Profile. Tap on Edit Picture or Avatar. Select the avatar icon and tap on Create Avatar. So it begins by choosing a skin tone. It is similar to your Snapchat Bitmoji. You can select your hairstyle, your dresses, and hair colors. So go ahead and select according to your appearance or preference. I'm speeding this process for you. Now once you are done, it will be displayed right here in the icon. You can set as a profile as well. Tap on Next. And the most exciting thing is you have your very own avatar stickers. Isn't it cool? And voila, just like that, with a simple clicks, you have created your avatar for your Instagram. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.